Do you know the difference between an athlete and a player? These words can have a similar meaning, and they can even both describe the same person, but they're not exactly the same every time. One of my students asked me this question during the Olympic Games. It's a great question. I made this video for other ESL students who may have the same question. People just like you. Keep watching. During the Olympic Games, we hear the word athlete used a lot. The news talks about people competing from countries all over the world. Another word we often hear is player. So, what's the difference? Athlete is a more general word that can be used to describe a person involved in sports or other physical activities. Player is more specific. It describes a person involved in games or sports that you play against another person or team. You can also play a game against a computer. Here are some Olympic examples to highlight the difference. All the participants in the Olympic Games are called athletes. The Olympics also has teams and events with players. Players are in a competition where you score a goal or point against another player or team of players. Some events are not measured by goals. They can be measured by time, measured by distance, or scored by judges. The participants in these events are called athletes, not players. A player can also be an athlete.
Lionel Messi is considered one of the best soccer players to ever play. He is a famous athlete known around the world.
But not all athletes are players. Rock climbers are athletes, but we don't call them players. In the same way, we wouldn't say that a chess player is an athlete. He or she may be an athlete in some other way, but it's not related to their skill at chess. The word athlete has an adjective form that is very common and you have probably heard before. Athletic. It's an adjective that means physically strong, fit, and active. Daryl plays baseball, soccer, and he is on the track team. He is very athletic. For many sports or activities, we call the participants by their sport name plus ER. The same way someone who drives a taxi is a taxi driver. Someone who climbs rocks is a rock climber. Check out my root word method video to learn more about how to use the suffix ER. Click the card above and learn how to dramatically increase your English vocabulary. Get the exact definitions and more at the blog post that supports this video. You'll find a link to this blog post, a link to my root word blog post, and a link to more helpful English resources in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.